a sole trader is just you trading as yourself. You could decide to even adopt a trading name, like you can say Felicia Solomon, trading as Jani. Hi creatives. Today I just want us to go back to the basics of a business. I read a report recently where they were saying that creative businesses actually have the longest lifespan of most businesses, about 6 years on average, but then most of them are informal. So the government does not have records. And that generally means when people are advertising for funding and whatever, all these, any government support, private sector support, etc., most creative businesses miss out on it because they don't have all of those formal documents that they need to qualify for such support. So again, I'm going to just go through a series to just discuss the different types of business structures that you can adopt for your business. And then, depending on what you think suits you, you can adopt that structure, and it is always possible to keep changing from one to the other. So today I'm going to start with just operating as a sole trader, which is what most of you do. A sole trader, there really is no formality for it. A sole trader is just you trading as yourself. You could decide to even adopt a trading name, like you can say Felicia Solomon, trading as Jani Enterprises. So you could decide to even trade like that in the market. But then this one, if you're just a sole trader, then there really is no separate legal personality, meaning that, at all times, you are the legal party. So any contract, anything, any assets that you might buy to own, those will be under your name. There is also there's no formality. You don't register as a sole trader anywhere, right? Unless you decide to use a business name registration and have yourself as the sole proprietor. So in that case, if you decide to adopt, to register a business name, then you can do so. That one you do it it's registered by the company's registry, and now the process is online on eCitizen. So you can always register. The cost is 950 now. So that one will just comprise you. You go on the system, you put your three proposed names, you fill in the information about the proprietor, and then if the names are acceptable, you'll have paid your money. Then the system will tell you whether the names are acceptable or not. If one of those three is, then the system will give you your registration certificate. So in that case, you can be a sole trader with that kind of registration, and then now your trading name, that business name, will now be something with a certificate to it. So in that case, then you can also get like a till number, which you can use. With the certificate of registration, Safaricom will give you a till number, and that one helps you to separate your person from your business, even if it's mentally, because legally you will still be the person who's responsible. Like the business name registration does not create a different person, it will still be you. In terms of taxation, all taxes, rather the taxes would be applicable now to you as the legal person. So when you, of course, you'll have to file your personal income tax. That one will be charged on you, and if you go deeper into the tax obligations for income tax, then you can go further. You start saying that this is the revenue that I'm raising for my business, these are the expenses. And now, because it is you'll be noting down, like if say I'm a photographer, I have to go for a shoot somewhere. So the transport from your place of business to the clients, you get a receipt for it. If you have to eat, so you keep getting all the receipts. If you have life insurance, then at the end, when you're doing your tax returns, you deduct all of these things and reduce it, so that income tax is charged on profits. So again, you'll be doing your revenue, net expenses, and you will have factored in all of these things, data that you use for your business to upload things and send them to your client, etc. All of those things, if you now document and get your receipts, you can always now do the deductions, so that you reduce your tax impact to actually reflect your actual business. Yeah, so that is sole trader. In the next one, I'm going to discuss partnerships. Thank you.